CAT 352 gives you high power and durability to tackle any big job. Long maintenance intervals and low fuel consumption help you cut costs without sacrificing production. The right CAT bucket with the right bucket tips improve penetration with less digging effort and with faster cycle time. CAT linkage pins and bearings keep your machine and your work moving all day, every day. CAT linkage pins and bearings are designed with the machine to strict Caterpillar specifications. That means every joint is a perfect fit, delivering precise productivity, longer life, and lower operating costs. Optional boom and stick lowering check valves prevent reverse flow, keeping your front linkage securely in place should the hydraulic system unexpectedly lose power. Extended filter intervals making maintenance are more sustainable, reducing oil and filter waste. The filter models have parts commonality similar across the next generation excavator range to ease the management of stock and increase parts availability. Improved ergonomically designed steps allows better access to reach the engine compartment and top area of the 352. Higher, more visible safety railing comes standard for 3 points of contact, plus additional anti-skid plates for safety are available if there is a need to climb upon the 352. Electro-hydraulic main valve that provides required flexibility to limit restrictions so energy waste reducing operating costs. Higher hydraulic power that reduces the cycle time when digging and swinging loaded. Right-hand side rear camera or 360 camera system integrated and protected from damage to reduce the risk of blind spots. optional autonomous electric air heater connected to the batteries to warm up the air going to the engine to ease the engine startup in cold conditions. Spacious and redesigned cab common across all Cat, track, and wheeled excavators with enlarged and new right-hand side components layout windows for an increased visibility that will bring higher productivity and safety to the operator. Smart Mode is an optimization feature which allows the machine to have an auto regulation of power and speed according to the job or application requirements, reducing fuel consumption.